yeah, she's getting a little warm, so we got to watch her. This aluminum, especially when you're drilling it, if you get it too hot, it'll weld right to the tool. Turning it isn't as bad, but you still got to be cognizant of this, of what can happen here. So we'll make another 40 thousandths pass. That's a total of 80 thousandths, 40 thousandths per side. Okay, so we're at our dimension within our tolerance, and we're good to go. So this lathe really can do a lot. It's just there's no guard with this thing, and you got to be careful. You really do, because if you try and push it and put nitro on it or something, and this piece comes out, it's probably not going to take you out, but you'll have a new respect for the feeds and speeds if you try and push it. I mean, if you go in here with this tool and try and take off instead of 40 thousandths, you try and take 100 thousandths off, there's just so much pressure that even as strong as these jaws are, it can rip it out. So just be cognizant of it. Work safe, guys. It's not worth it. I mean, you gotta, if you're trying to produce, you gotta produce. I mean, but it's not worth hurting yourself. Learn your tool. Start off slow, just like everything else, but slow, methodical, and you'll be all right.